Sweet violet, that out of view, through snow and sleet and shower, has kept a speck of heavenly blue to bless this vernal hour. Oh, could we learn thy gentle art, when trouble clouds our skies, to cherish in our secret heart a hope that never dies. Hello, dearies. I sincerely hope you enjoyed that charming and hopeful little poem from a 1909 book I found at an estate sale. Now come with me behind the cottage into the graveyard to gather some sweet little violets. Not only are violets one of the most beautiful and sincere little spring flowers, but they are edible and can be used in many different medicinal and culinary ways. You just have to make sure you identify them as the common wild violet and to forage for them in an area free from pesticides. So why not look for them in a little slice of undisturbed nature? Oh, and make sure to leave some behind for the fairies. Now that I've got a jar full, let's go back inside the cottage to make some old-fashioned shortbread cookies to adorn with violets. Remove the stems and press between wax paper on a baking sheet and weigh down with something heavy, like books, while you prepare the dough.
So ladies and gentlemen, let's bake. For this old classic shortbread recipe you need 1 cup of unsalted butter, a half cup granulated sugar and 2 cups of all-purpose flour. You can spice it up with 1 teaspoon vanilla, or if you don't have that, zest of a lemon works perfectly fine. Mix the room temperature butter with the sugar until well combined. Add the vanilla or lemon zest into the mixture, plus the flour. You will knead it together until a well-blended dough takes form. You cover the bowl and place it in the fridge for about 30 to 60 minutes. And now it's a perfect time to prepare the violets. Now you have 2 choices. Either to spread the violets out directly with a waxing paper, as we did, or simply cut out your desired shapes and sizes and then apply them. Bake the cookies in 325 degrees for about 7 to 8 minutes. And when they come out, they will still look pale, because that's a good shortbread. Let cool down before you enjoy them for your fika time. You deserve it.
Well, dearies, we hope you enjoyed baking with us, and if so, do consider becoming a fika friend on our Patreon, where you get downloads of our charming recipes. We'll leave you with this last poem. What modest thoughts the violet teaches, what gracious boons the violet preaches. Bright maiden, ne'er forget, but learn and love and so depart, and sing thou with thy wiser heart, long live the violet.